asphalt. Corners, speed. No rocking, no rolling. Optimal grip, perfect adhesion. Original Bilstein shock absorbers, the gold standard for technology and quality, synonymous with peak suspension performance. Bilstein is the original equipment supplier for the world's best renowned car manufacturers. But that's by no means all. Original replacement dampers, air suspension modules, high-performance shock absorbers, suspension springs, sports shock absorbers and custom suspension solutions. Bilstein develops perfect shock absorbers for every vehicle and for every target audience. When new vehicles are ready for launch, the Bilstein suspension experts start their work, their quest, the perfect shock absorber. They start with an analysis of the target group for the new vehicle. Do they want sport, dynamism or comfort? The buyer's driving preferences and style are the decisive factors in determining the damper's product attributes. Vehicle data are collected and analyzed. With the help of computer modeling, Bilstein produces an original prototype. Setting out to produce the prototype. This is created from top quality materials using state-of-the-art expertise. It then undergoes a rigorous testing program. The first essential challenge, extreme weather. Frost, minus 40 degrees. The shock absorber must withstand it. Next up, the hydro pulse. 1000 hits per minute. Test the damper's durability. Only reality demands more, and Bilstein insists on going beyond simulation. Bilstein seeks perfection and tests its shock absorbers in real-life conditions. On near impassable roads, on fast roads, and on the legendary Nordschleife, the authentic Bilstein test drive. This is where humans pass judgment on suspension perfection. They exchange views, they test, they revise. Only Bilstein does this. If the prototype fails to give 100% Bilstein driving experience, its attributes are adjusted. The setting is changed using different springs. The new absorption power of the damper is evaluated on the VDA test bench. And tested over and over again until the right result is achieved. Whether it's a high-performance shock absorber, a sport or threaded suspension, or original replacement parts, Bilstein are the experts in high-tech quality and perfectly responsive ride behavior. And this delivers the unique Bilstein driving experience, technology, experience and quality. Bilstein quality is manufactured in-house. All essential components of our dampers are personally created by our suspension experts. Take the piston rod, for example. Comes with in-house quality control as standard. We also manufacture and quality control our own spring discs. Our production volumes, 200 discs per minute. Quality made in Germany. When we make our high-performance shock absorbers and threaded suspensions, the piston rods are assembled by hand. In original replacement parts production, the process is automated and done by machine. Compression and tension performance of the piston assembly is then tested. Once the tube and piston rod ultimately come together, the finished damper is filled with oil and gas. After that, they're given their personal and characteristic Bilstein livery and are prepared for dispatch. Our current production program includes 8,000 article numbers for more than 20,000 different vehicle types. The right driving experience for every vehicle.